Hi everyone, it's Alexis with Financial Phoenix. I am so sorry about this that's happening right now. It is my anniversary, me and David's anniversary. I want to call him Mr. Financial Phoenix. And so this morning, instead of getting up and getting things done, we stayed in bed and cuddled, which was nice and something that we don't get to do very often. But yes, the rest of my day has not gone as planned because of it. So, excuse me. But today I am here to continue our Frugal Homemaking series, and today we're going to talk about how to make your own Starbucks-esque tasting coffee at home really cheap. The point of these videos is to help you guys save money here and there at home in little small ways. And something that's really important to me about these videos too is that you don't spend any money trying to recreate this at home unless you want to. I'm not going to show you anything that requires that you go out and buy stuff, so this week is coffee. If you have certain things at home that you like to use for your coffee, use those things by all means. This is just how I do it. I didn't spend any money making this video. I did not go out and buy different things. So, what we have is milk, chocolate syrup, coffee. That's basically it. So yeah, just use whatever is your favorite thing and maybe take these tips and tricks and play around with them and see if you can save some money at home. We will have another Frugal Homemaking video coming out next week around this same time, so check back in. Oh, also, if you haven't shared one of our videos lately, would you do us a favor and please give it a share, because we are sitting at 299 subscribers and we have been there for 3 or 4 days now, and I really just need that to be 300 because 299 is driving me crazy. 300, please. Get somebody to subscribe to this channel so that we can have this round number. I would very much appreciate it. But let's get into making some coffee, and hopefully you guys enjoy.
Shut up and sit down.
Okay, so these are our ingredients, milk and chocolate syrup being the most important. There's the coffee maker. Today we're going to be using Starbucks chocolate mocha ground coffee. Typically I would grind my own beans in my bean grinder, but I don't have whole beans on hand this time, and yeah, not buying anything for this video. That's how we stay frugal around here. So we're going to go ahead and fill the carafe here with about 4 cups. I do a little bit more just to account for spillage than what I actually need. 4 cups should do it, and then you're gonna set it for 4 as well. Grinding your own beans doesn't really cost any more money. This is what I use to typically scoop them out there, but as I said, I don't have any. It's just enough as an affordable option as ground coffee, and I think it tastes a little better because the oils coming out of the beans are a little bit fresher. So we take our paper liner, we put it in the basket. There we go. We will eventually learn how to film with just one hand and do all of this with the other. We're going to put in the same number of tablespoons as we do cups. So 4 cups means 4 tablespoons. I like my coffee on the little lighter side, so I only put in, I'm light on the teaspoons. See right there, you can see I'm a little light on my teaspoons just because I like my coffee a little less strong. So just shake them off like that. Get them in there. That's what it looks like. And we're going to set it for 4 cups and brew now, although I do like the brew later button if I am savvy and remember before bedtime to set this for in the morning. Make sure you close your coffee up right away, because the longer you let it go, the staler it gets. Every time coffee is exposed to air, it gets a little bit more stale. And there's my mug. Don't talk out loud. You lower the IQ of the whole street. Any other Sherlock fans in here? That's what's up. So this is the important part that makes it kind of Starbucksy, like a Starbucks mocha. You want to cover the bottom of the cup and maybe a little bit extra with milk to get that frothy mocha texture and flavor. And if you're like me, you will spill it on the counter. So don't do that. That's a mistake. Yeah, that's definitely not enough. So we're going to put back in a little bit extra. There we go. And we're going to heat this up. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put this in the microwave for 30 to 45 seconds just to heat that milk up, and there it is, all hot. Hot milk is the best way to froth it. It will not get really frothy if you do not. And there's my frother. David bought this for me, and you can see it works like that, but everyone doesn't have one of those. We're just gonna use a plain old whisk because plain old whisks are usually what everyone has. Now to get that frothiness, you want to do it back and forth like in a front to back motion and not a circular motion. That's what creates the little air pockets and makes the bubbles. And you can see there that it's getting super frothy. But you, again, want to make sure that your milk is hot any longer than 30 to 45 seconds, and it's going to get that skin on the top, which is weird. So just keep going, whisk it, I say for about a minute, minute and a half. You can see I didn't do it too long there, and that is how thick it already is. The longer you do it, the thicker it will get, and the longer it will stay like that once you put the coffee in. I added these to give you an idea. There's the French vanilla creamer you can use to give it a little different flavor, and some sugar cubes if you want a little extra sweetness to your coffee. I don't use those too often, but David likes them. Yeah, so if you just want a little bit of a different taste, you could do that as well. So our milk is thick now, and we are just gonna pour the coffee in. There we go. And the last step is chocolate syrup. I like the sugar-free, and I just give it like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then a little dollop at the end for sweetness. And I just do a very quick stir so as not to disturb my thick froth there. And there you have it. That's a Starbucks mocha at home on the cheap. Thanks guys for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Hopefully this inspires you to get creative with your own at-home coffees and maybe start drinking some more at home, and save a couple extra dollars each week. So our resale video should be out tomorrow, and then Wednesday, look for the deals for this week, the 5 off 25 deals, because they are gonna be good at Dollar General. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, save money, make money, and keep dreaming big, guys.
Shut up and sit down.